Tractor Supply is your zero-turn headquarters. So when you want the biggest brands in zero-turn power,
buying a car on my own, especially a pre-owned car. No matter where I went, they tried to take advantage of me. I'd pick out a car and work out a price, but the price never really was the price, because they'd suddenly add in all these extra dealer fees, like admin fees and dealer prep fees, costing me thousands of extra dollars. And of course they never mentioned that when we agreed on a price. It was the same nonsense at every dealer I went to, until I came to Major World of Long Island City. At Major, they charge one small $75 processing fee, and that's it, other than the usual state stuff like taxes, tags, and DMV costs. I tell you what, I sure don't miss paying those thousands of extra dollars in fees. $75 works a lot better for me. So that's why I now do all of my car shopping at Major World.
We're glad you found us. If you're looking for a pre-owned car, Major World has thousands of them, but not thousands in dealer fees. Major World, 4340 Northern Boulevard, Long Island City, Queens, close to the 59th Street Bridge. Open 7 days a week with special late hours. Call 1-800-MAJOR-AUTO or shop online at MajorWorld.com.
الرجيم ألم kudan numa gorse, imadina ni fugu gitti dabse.